Why, oh why? Demystifying non-restrictive relative clauses with why. Hello everyone, and welcome to another engaging lesson on English grammar. Today, we are diving deep into an exciting topic: non-restrictive relative clauses. And we'll be particularly focusing on using the relative adverb, why, in these clauses. Buckle up and get ready for an enlightening ride. First things first, let's quickly refresh our memory on what a non-restrictive relative clause is. Non-restrictive relative clauses, also known as non-defining relative clauses, provide additional information about a noun, but that information isn't essential to identify the noun. These clauses are always separated by commas in a sentence. A key point to remember is that if you remove these clauses from the sentence, it will still make sense and its core meaning will remain intact. Before we proceed to the usage of why in non-restrictive relative clauses, let's quickly touch base with relative adverbs. In English, the most commonly used relative adverbs are where, when, and why. They are used to introduce relative clauses, and they refer back to a noun or noun phrase in the main clause, giving extra information about it. Today, we are focusing on why, which is used to give reasons. Now, on to the main topic. Using why in non-restrictive relative clauses. Why is used to introduce a non-restrictive relative clause when we are providing additional information about the reason for something. Consider the following example. My brother decided to become a chef, which is why he's always in the kitchen. Here, the relative clause, which is why he's always in the kitchen, is additional information explaining why the brother is always in the kitchen. It doesn't change the main meaning of the sentence, which is, my brother decided to become a chef. Important to note is that we often use which in conjunction with why to refer back to a whole clause or sentence, instead of a single noun. So there we have it. You have successfully navigated the intricacies of using why in non-restrictive relative clauses. It's a wonderful tool in your English grammar toolbox that allows you to provide additional, non-essential information about reasons in a sentence. Remember, practice makes perfect. So, why not start using why in non-restrictive relative clauses in your daily conversations? We hope this lesson was insightful and helps you in your journey of mastering English grammar. Until next time, keep learning and keep practicing.